Let's talk about the one feature which requires a subscription in the Timely Tracker app, the Make a Report feature. This basically allows you to export data that you've put into the app. Now, you don't need this feature, but it really makes everything faster. So what we're going to do is we're going to export a report. There's a couple ways to do it, but first you pick the start date. So this is going to be, well, let's do a report starting July, and we're going to pick a stop date, and let's pick the end of August. So we have a start date, a stop date. We have Pocket the horse. We're going to do a report for Pocket so we can bill him, and we're going to generate a report, and we get to open it, and we get to see what we billed Pocket for that time. So there's a whole bunch of information here that allows, we had to deal with some incoming and outgoing calls, some researches, some meetings. All this information is put into a spreadsheet, and actually it's put into 6 spreadsheets, one broken down by the minute, one broken down by 5 minutes, 6-minute minimums, 10-minute minimums, 15-minute minimums, 30-minute minimums, and hour minimums. And if you can bill by hour minimums, more power to you. But I personally think most people bill by 5 and 6-minute minimums. Anyway, you have those spreadsheets built out in here. So however you want to put together an invoice, it is available to you. And this tool allows you to generate invoices quickly. All the information's in there. You can send it off to your favorite invoicing program. You can, put it off to your laptop. You can clean it up however you want. Generate an invoice and send it out. And that's what the report generator does for you. It takes all the information you put in and generates a spreadsheet that allows you to turn that into whatever format of invoice you want.